Hi, my name's Gage, and I'm one of the founders of StreamYard. I'm super excited to announce that we just released a brand new form of video sharing. If you go into your studio, you'll see the screen share button is now called Share. If you select it, you'll see the option to select Video File. This video file option actually streams videos directly from your local computer. This is great because there's no restrictions on the length or size of these videos. I'll go ahead and select this and choose a sample video. You won't see it on my screen, but you'll be prompted with a file picker to choose your video. I'll just select an example video here. As you see, it gets automatically added to the stream, and I can actually talk over the video. There's also controls as well, so I can skip through to any point that I want to share with my audience. It works similar to screen share for layout, so I can choose to full screen the video or choose the other layouts that we use for screen share. It also respects the option in our settings to automatically add it to the stream or not automatically add it to the stream. So you can use that as well. You might be asking yourself, why would I bother using this over screen share? And that's a good question. And there's a few very important reasons. One is the overall quality. So you'll get much better video and audio quality with this because unlike screen share, which is having to capture an entire monitor, this requires much fewer resources from your computer. So it's going to perform better. The other major difference is the ease of use factor. So with screen sharing, if you only have one monitor, it can be sort of difficult to switch between the video player that you're using and StreamYard itself. Whereas with this new feature, everything is happening within the StreamYard window. So you can control everything and play through the video without having to switch between multiple tabs. And your guests can use it as well. So for guests where you might have in the past having to coach them through the screen share feature, this should be easier when they want to share a video. You can also queue up multiple videos. So I'll just share the same video as an example, but if you wanted to prepare beforehand and choose a few videos that you wanted to share during your stream, you could do that and switch between them at any point and share different things with your audience. Another important question you might be asking is, well, what's the difference between this and video clips? So both of them have their different advantages. So you can find video clips in the brand section. And the advantage of video clips is they get uploaded to the StreamYard servers and can be used at any point. So if you do a broadcast in the future, that video clip will always be available for you to use. And also because they're actually being uploaded beforehand, you're going to get the absolute best quality. So they're really good for intros and outros. But for long form videos that you want to that will perform better than the screen sharing feature, this new form of video sharing is a fantastic option. But you do have to keep in mind that these videos aren't getting saved on StreamYard. So in your future broadcasts, you'll have to reshare the video from your local computer. But this was one of our most requested features, and we're really excited to release it. Do let us know what you think. Thank you guys so much.